Good morning, students. Just a recall of the introduction because many of them are asking the doubt. Okay. So, what is meant by real number? Real number is a combination of the rational number and irrational number. Q is the representation of the rational number. Okay. A rational number in a college level you will learn briefly. Okay, whether you are taking a mathematics. So, real number means both the cases rational number and irrational number. So rational number having a natural whole everything you already studied in your lower classes. So what is a rational number? Rational number is nothing but something of fraction form, as p by q form. So your denominator should be not equal to 0. So but your numerator, whatever number you will have, that is a rational number. Okay, that's it. So denseness property is nothing but for one of the formula 1 by 2 a plus b. That's it. By using this you can find out the middle of the any 2 point. If you want to take this is b, this is a also, no problem, no issue. Okay, so I can find out middle of the number. Average means what? So middle of that number, that's only the given in the sentence. So I can find out each and every middle. So I can find out the new point and this point too. I can find out. If you want to find out this point and this point middle also, no problem. We already did in here sums. Okay, this is mostly we are not used in many cases. This is okay. We already know. So this sum and all okay. So many of them asking this question, how we are writing this. Okay, so normally how we are writing 0.10. So again I am getting 0.1 alone. Then 0.101, 0.102, 0. If you are adding the number means that should be a reducing the value. Once you put the point, you are adding a number means your value should be decreasing. Okay, so 103 is 0.104, 0.105, 0.106, 0.107, 0.108, 0.109, 0.110. Okay, up to this I can write. So first one I didn't write, second one. So after the point, if you are putting 0 is not eligible. Okay, so obviously this is my 0.1, this is my 0.11. Okay, so in between how many numbers I am having? 0.101, 0.102, 0.103. Up to I can write 9. That's it. That's why I am writing this value. These are my values. Okay, nothing else is happening. So if you have a struggle means by using this formula to find out the well and good, but that should be a very big problem. That's why directly you can find out. This method is very easy. Okay, this is a normal format, and now we are going to see about the exercise 2.2 introduction. It's nothing but in your chapter you are not learning about the irrational number. Just given a definition for irrational number. Irrational number means nothing but in your book they given this as a definition. But normally irrational number is whether it's not a rational number, other than it should be irrational number. That is a irrational number definition. In a book what they mention, irrational number is the number that cannot be expressed in a ratio of two integers. Okay, so ordinary ratios are. So it cannot be expressed to two ratio. It cannot be expressing as an ordinary ratio. So if you are having a AB, so taking AB ratio means not equal. Okay, so if I am having A plus B is to A, in your golden ratio they given in your book. Okay, your ratio should be what I am saying, the ratio should be differ. Okay, that's one is they mention is a irrational number. Irrational number is whichever is not a rational number, that is called a irrational number. That's one line is okay. Okay, so terminating decimal. Normally we can divide that number. Normally we can divide. So if I am having 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 how can we find out? So to for example I am giving you. So I don't know. So this is the biggest. So putting a 0, point and 0. So in 2 table I am getting a. So if I am remainder 0, quotient is ending, right? So 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. So the terminating means my remainder is 0. Terminating means my remainder is 0, quotient is end. Okay, that is the terminating. So if you have 1 by 3, so I am find out 3 1, so same 0 point, so 0 9, so 3 again I am putting, so 0, so 0 9, again 3, again 1, again 3, again 9. Keep on going, right? So 1 by 3 is nothing but 0.3333 etc. times it's keep on going. So if it is a keep on going means is a terminating means end ma. You already studied in your English, right? Terminating means end. If I am having an end point in my quotient means that is a terminating. If I am having repetition in my means etc. times going in my quotient means that is a non-terminating. The different, and this is a repeating, right? So the repeating another name is a recurring. In mathematically they given this word. A recurring is nothing but your quotient is repeating term. So non-terminating obviously it should be the endless term. So etc. times is going, right? So endless term and the value is repeating. So that is they mention non-terminating, endless going, and repeating the number. That's only they mention. So terminating means my quotient my remainder is 0 and this is the end. The terminating, non-terminating means etc. times the same number is etc. times going means non-terminating as well as the recurring. Okay, this is representing in your rational number. Irrational number we didn't study deeply in your 9th standard. This is whether if you are having a rational number is terminating as well as if you are having a number should be a terminating or non-terminating and recurring alone. That should be your rational number. Okay, that's only the given in the statement. Terminating decimal means my decimal with the finite number of the decimal point. So I am having a finite number of decimal point by 0.5. That's enough, right? So I am having a finite number of decimal. That's why I am getting this is my terminating decimal. Non-terminating, whether it is a non-terminating means that should be recurring or not recurring. Okay, so if it is a recurring means we are saying your remainder is repeating the same again and again. The same number means it should be recurring in the decimal place. That's right. So you can use this bar. This is your barcode point. If it is a repeating means we didn't write that much, right? So 3. So which number is repeating 3? So I am representing barcode. Okay, that's it. If you are having this is one kind of the question. If it is a rational number, so you are having a rational number, that should be if it is a rational number, you can write, for example I will give, you can understand from the book I will take. I don't know which example is okay, that's why. Okay, you definitely given your for example I can write this is 13 by 64. 13 by 64 is 2 power 6. Okay, into I can write 5 power 0 also. If it's not a 5 means you can write 5 power 0, right? So what they mention means if you are having this is my 13 is my p, my 2 power n into my 5 power m means it's a format, right? So this is my p, this is my 2, this is my 5, my n. So n m in whole number. Whole number means from 0 to etc. times. Okay, so whole number means it is a terminating. Terminating means it can have a terminating. If it is not coming like this, for example, so this is listen in this place. So you are having a 5, but in this place mentioning except 2 and 5 means if mentioning 3 except 3, right? So it's not non-terminating. If you try this, so it definitely it's non-terminating. The etc. terms keep on going. So it's having a 2 and 5. So if you have a single 2 also terminating, single 5 also because into 2 power 0, in this place into 5 power 0. Okay, that's only they mentioned, terminating and non-terminating. It is a one of the way to clarify whether it is a terminating or non-terminating. Okay, if it is form p by the numerator as usual, the denominator 2 power n into 5 power m. So this is a terminating. Whether it is coming in this form, it means terminating.